Let's consider another problem. A square pyramid, side of base 30 mm and axis 60 mm long, is resting on HP with its base. It is cut by a section plane inclined to HP at an angle of 30 degree and perpendicular to VP. Draw the development of the bottom portion of the pyramid. Now, here also we have to draw the symbol position of the square pyramid. Consider it is resting on HP with one of the bases parallel to VP. Just draw the XY line. Side of the pyramid is 30 mm. Side 30 mm A, B, C, D, apex O, bottom point is P. First we will consider development of the prism without cutting it. So if you cut a pyramid, if you develop a pyramid, I will show it. Consider the pyramid. A, B, C, D, O, the axis point is P. Now, if we develop the pyramid, from this point we have to unwrap the surface of that pyramid. So it will be something like this. You can see the development of the pyramid will be something like this. This is A, B, C, D, again A. This point is apex. When we develop, this is a complete two-dimensional form, we will get a flat surface. So I will draw it here. For that, what we need to do is, all the slant edges in development should be true length. That's one important thing you have to remember. You can see this OA, OB, OC, OD, these are the slant edges of square pyramid. While we developing this, all the slant edges should be true length. So first we have to find out the true length of the slant edge. Here we can see in front view, after we name this A dash, B dash, this is D dash, C dash, here it is O dash and P dash. Here this OD and OC in this front view is not a true length because OD and OC is not a parallel line in top view. To get the true length, first we have to make this OD and OC parallel, then we have to project it to get the true length. You see, from the center draw a horizontal line. First I have to make this OD parallel. So here I will get D1, then project D1. So you have D1 dash. This O dash D1 dash is a true length of the slant edge. You can see what I did is I just rotate this OD to a parallel line in top view. I got D1, then I project D1 to the XY line. I got D1 dash. Then O dash D1 dash is a true length of the slant edge. Now to draw the development, take that true length in a compass. True length of the slant edge in a compass. I am taking this O dash D1 dash, not O dash D dash, O dash D1 dash. This red line I am taking the distance. This is the length of the true length of the slant edge, O dash D1 dash. Now you have to put, you can put compass anywhere. No, need not be aligned with this front view. So you can place your compass anywhere. Just draw an arc with the radius, same radius. Just draw an arc with the same radius, and this center point you name it as O. Now you just join it to the one end of the arc and name this point as A. How to name? First you have to take the distance of the slant edge in compass, and with the same distance draw an arc, and then join the center of the arc to one of the ends and name it as point A. Now you just take all the distances, you take the distances of the edges. See, you can see the base edge is, now here base edge is 30 mm. See, this is the base edge length. You just take and cut the arc with that same length. Here you need 4 divisions. Here you have to extend the arc a little bit. Here you have to extend arc a little bit, somewhere here. Okay, now these are the point of the base. You can see while I develop the surface of the square pyramid, these are the base points A. You can see here A, B, C, D, again A. So similarly here also I have the base points as A, B, C, D, again A. Since the base A, B, C, D are straight edges, I can simply connect these straight edges of these points A, B, B, C, C, D, and D A. Join OA as well. You see. Now the slant edges, inside slant edges, you can draw as a thin line. Always remember, this should be thin line. You should not draw as thick lines. These should be thin lines. So this is the development. This is the development of a square pyramid. Surface of the lateral surface of the square pyramid. This is the development of the lateral surface of the square pyramid in a two-dimensional form. Now we can consider the section plane also. The square pyramid is cut by a section plane which is inclined at an angle of 30 degree through the midpoint of the axis. Through the midpoint of the axis. Say here you can see the points 1 dash, this is 2, again 3, here it is 4. So that you have got 4 cutting points. Now you have to mark the cutting points in the development also. But remember one thing, here the cutting points 1, 2, 3, 4 are not on the true length lines. Here this AO, BO, DO, CO, all these lines are not true lengths. But in development, all these edges means AO, BO, CO, DO, all the slant edges are true length. For that, you cannot directly mark these points to these edges. First you have to transfer all these points to the true length line. We have already drawn the true length O dash D1 dash here, so that we can transfer these points to true length lines. See, here I will get 1, 4, this will be 2, 3. Now take the compass from O, take the distance on that true length line. Here I am taking this 1, 4 distance on the true length line, that red line. Take the distance and place it the O on the development. You can see point 1 is on line OA. I got point 1 on OA. So here this will be 1, this will be also 1, there will be 2, 1, because there are 2 OA. Again 4 is also the same distance, but 4 is on line OB. So that this will be 4. Say I can mark, this is 1, 1, here it is 4. Now 2, 3, always remember I am taking distance from O dash, this O dash to 2, 3 on true length line. Again I have to place it on this O, not any other points. Keep this thing in mind. If you are taking the distance from O to the cutting points, here you have to place the compass on O itself. So on CO I will get point 3, on DO I will get point 2. So this will be 2 and this is 3. See what we'll get by joining these points. You see, the bottom portion of the pyramid means this will be the bottom portion of the pyramid. I am just outlining the bottom portion. Keep one thing in mind, that all the boundaries of the portion should be thick lines. All other lines should be thin lines, so that you have to keep this thing properly. So this is the bottom portion, this is the bottom portion of the pyramid. So that's how we do a particular problem on square pyramid.